बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। माय नेम इज सजदा रजा। आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 3। माय स्कूल नेम इज फैजल इस्लामिक स्कूल सिस्टम, हैदराबाद, पाकिस्तान। Today we are going to learn exercise 4.7 question number 1 part 7 class 9 maths chapter number 4 factorization Sindh Board. We are going to learn synthetic division method. So book answers are not written. I will check from the book. So the steps are written. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5 and step 6. Understood? First of all we can read the question. First of all, step number 1. Set a missing variable in Px. Missing variable are plus 0x power 4 plus 0x. Understood? We cannot take this. We are to change this. First of all, this will become 1x power 5 plus 0x power 4. This comes from here. Then plus 1x power 3 minus 2x square, then plus 0x minus 3. Now you can understand this is our real question. So you can take that tables and that things. Understood? Now, first of all, draw table. Here we needed to draw the table, but in the small way. We have not so much space. First of all, draw table, done this. Now place multiply to left hand side. This x plus 3, now you know this x plus 3 is equal to 0 will come, and x is equal to this will become here, and it will become minus 3, and this minus 3 will become here, and it's called multiplier. Understood? So this minus 3 we will write here. So I am removing it now. You have noted. Now I have removed it. So the third step is place coefficient after multiplier. Still here we have coefficient. First coefficient 1, second 0, then again 1, then minus 2, then 0. Done this? Now place constant to right hand side, then minus 3 will be. Now you understood what is coefficient and what is constant. Understood? Now place first coefficient below first coefficient. This one will be come here as it is down. Then multiply with first coefficient and right. Minus plus is a minus 3 ones are 3. So here will become minus 3. Understood? No, not minus 3 will become. Then answer below second coefficient and is add subtract. So here will come minus 3. Then first answer is minus 3, correct. Then multiply minus 3 with minus 3. Minus plus 3 ones are 3. Then add then right answer below third coefficient. Then this. Now add subtract. Add subtract. So here will become 10. Second answer is 10, correct. Now multiplier minus 3 with 10. Minus plus is a minus 3 times a 30. Understood? Now write answer below first coefficient, then this third. Add subtract minus minus sign will come and we will do the plus. So the answer will become 32. Third answer is minus 32. Correct. Now let's come to the step number 4. Multiply minus 3 to minus 32. So the minus plus. So the plus sign will be hide. So the answer will become 96. Then write answer below fifth coefficient. Done this, add, subtract, minus plus the minus 96 means here will become six. So we will do the plus. So the answer will come 96. Done this. Now fourth answer is 96. Fourth answer is 96. Correct. So step number 5. Multiply minus 3 to 96. So the minus plus the minus and 96 3. The 18 and 3 9 27 means 28. So here will come minus 28. 88. Done this. Now write answer below constant minus 3. Done this. Start add subtract. So here will become 91. Done this. Now final answer is minus 291. Yes, correct. And it is remainder. So we have found our remainder. Remainder is equal to minus 291. And this is our answer. Let's check from the book answers. So I am checking from here. I write from here. So this is minus. Yep, here. Minus 291, correct? But still we have didn't solve our question. Look, this is saying to find the question and remainder. We have find only our remainder. We have didn't find our that question. Now we are going to find the question. So Qx is equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 10x square 10x square minus 32 minus 32x x plus 96. And this is our also answer. But you think so? Where we get this? I will tell you. Here, I am telling you here. So I have no space. That's why I am removing it. So you can understand carefully. Here. Now, first of all, here will become these names 1 minus 3, 10, minus 32 and 96. Done this, then multiply. This here will not get the multiply, so this will become as it is. This is constant, that's why. So, find question Qx by taking number as coefficient below bottom line. Understood? Please, let's read the second. Find variable of Qx by using variable of Px degree less than 1. Understood? Now, here is Here will come x power 4, x power 3, x power square. And here will become x power 4 minus 3 x cube minus 32 x square plus 10 x square. Wait for a while. Oh, sorry. This is not our correct answer. I will tell you our correct answer later. First of all, we can solve it. So, I forget to solve this multiply tan 1. X cube, x square, then 10 here will come minus 32 multiplied by x is equal to, and 96 multiply not is equal to 96. So, here will become 10x square and here will become minus 32x and here will come 96. So, here we will write the sequence is equal to, here we will come first of all x power 4, then minus 3 x cube plus 10 x square minus 32 x minus 32x and plus 96. And this is our finally answer. We can check from here. So, it's correct or not. First of all, x power 4 correct. Minus 3x cube correct. Plus 10x square correct. Minus 32x correct. Plus 96 correct. Okay. No subscribe, no like, only share.